So guys, this is Dynamite Belial, the perfect Dynamite Belial. You can see the V gear, S gear and little bit of F gear from the sideways, but you can't see the L gear because it's in the low mode right now. So let me unlock the bay and then I will show you. So the V gear and the F gear is fixed on the Beyblade. F gear is on the ring and V gear is on the driver, and I had also fixed the driver to the your disc. And I had for burst system I had used the metal series tip fusion, where they change the tip by removing the upper portion, which is this. So I had used an burst system. You can see, you can also hear the click. I know it's a little bit loose, but it will work properly, I hopefully. So there's only one click. Then this is our dynamite core. You can see it's really shiny, and in the background it's that metal tip. Then comes the ring. So this is the ring, your dynamite ring. I'm not on the devil ring, but if you guys insist I will probably make it too. And this is your F gear from the behind, and this is from the front side. It's little bit chipping off because of the battle I did before the video, you can see. Then this is the disc. You can see the Nexus disc. And then this is the Venture driver with the V gear upgraded. And I had sanded this area so that S gear could move freely, and from freely we move to S gear. This is our S gear, which came from the Astral Spriggan. You can see it have two modes, free spinning and not so free spinning. So let me first show you the free spinning area. So you need to just fix like this. See, it's fixed, and now this is free spinning. But for making tight it, pick it up like this and just flip it like this and put it like this. Here clicking sound, and just adjust it a little bit. Now click it again, little bit tight, and now it's not more free spinning. You can see, oh, it's a little bit spin, but it's just for the locking and clicking, and you can see it's not spinning. And this is because of these pieces that I put it on the ring, which get hold on from this area. So if you look closely, then when I want to do my frame, it's not frame, the S gear to move, it get hold on here and can't move anyway. But when it's on free spinning portion, there is no any kind of barrier around it, so that it is free spinning. And then this is our L gear, the latest gear, and which make the Belial perfect. So this is the L gear. You can see this is also the arm of the Beyblade. So let's assemble it, and then I will show you. So the Beyblade is ready in the low mode right now. So you can see the frame is free spinning. uh, Wait, did I make free spinning? Wait, get it here. Yeah. So yeah, now you can see it's free spinning. And then this is the core, this is the F gear, and you can't see the L gear. So let me do a hand spin. So that was on the low mode. Now let me do the high mode. No, this didn't need to pull out. You can see the massive gap that it make while on the high mode, and this is actually literally very high for an Beyblade. So let me again do a handspin on a high mode. So you can see the stamina is really low on the high mode because the weight is disbalanced and weight is on the upper portion of the bay. So yeah, that's for the video, and I will probably keep it in the low mode because I like low mode more. I mean, it's my choice. Maybe you don't like the low mode at all, and maybe you